The gallon represents the soul of surviving the water scarcity. They represent humans, they represent people, because every individual has a gallon. Water is a major issue that we deal with every single day in our life. So I'm looking at the consumption aspect of the jerrycans. It's not an ideal containers to store water in them. It's not hygienic, it's not safe. So what else do we use them when they are broken? I think it's important to be able to see artwork in different orientation. I'm interested in engaging community as part of my practice. Bringing people together, it's a way of collaborating where non-artists became art-oriented. 4 or 5 people or more working on one piece. It's a very traditional way of making fabric. The piece that I'm making for Desert X is an extension of an ongoing project, which is the Yellow Brick Road. We all in this world have a common problem. Ghana, where I'm from, Labadi, Accra, and Palm Spring, which is Coachella.
What I find really powerful about Serge's work is that the conversation translates across geographies. Is very exciting to this piece. There are major water problems here, especially when you look at communities in the East Valley.
The cubes represent survival, and the texture gives you a sense of how long this object has survived the weather conditions. The yellow, for me, it represents the world. It represents richness.